Alright, so we have our printed base. We have a printed tile, which is a single pillar, which has a removable top. See, fits perfectly. So this is how you install the magnets. The magnets we got are from DH Gate. We got 216 in a block, and I just took a few off. So then you take a line of magnets, hold it in, slide in the other one, see they'll hold together. See? So now the holes in the corners are for the little tabs. Each tab actually, if you look, there's a little lip in there. So the way it works is the lip faces inwards from where the holes are on the outside. So usually the way I set up my models is the walls will be at the back, so you know. So you just set it on. They clip in and it holds it. And if you need to get it back out, there's the little holes here that you could put a pin in, and you can pop it back out without breaking the little tab. So I have a pin here. See, popped it out. Put it back in. So now you can just prime it, paint it the way you want. I would suggest removing the top of these ones. That same goes with the doorways too, while you're priming it and painting it. And then when you're ready, you could just pop it back on. Now these single pillars, I set this up so I can do other things, like maybe put signs or other torches or whatever on the outside. We'll see how it goes when it comes to designing, but yeah, that's how it is.